Standard 9, Subject Maths 2, Chapter number 6, Circle. In this video, we are going to see some theorems of circle. Properties of chord of a circle. The first property is the perpendicular drawn from the center of a circle to a chord bisect the chord. Here the given is in a circle with center O, segment OE is perpendicular to chord AB, and we have to prove that segment AE congruent to segment EB. Construction. Draw segment OA and segment OB. These are the radius of a circle. Let's see the proof. Now, in right angle triangle OAE and triangle BOE, hypotenuse OA congruent to, since they are the radii of the same circle, segment OE congruent to segment OE, common side. Therefore, we can say that triangle AOE congruent to triangle BOE by hypotenuse side test. Therefore, by corresponding side of congruent triangle, we can say that segment AE congruent to segment EB. Now, the next property is the segment joining the midpoint of a chord and the center of a circle is perpendicular to the chord. Given, it is given that P is the center of a circle and M is the midpoint of the chord CD. To prove segment PM perpendicular to segment CD. Now let's see the proof. Let us consider two triangles, triangle PCM and triangle PDM. In triangle PCM and triangle PDM, segment PC congruent to segment PD. Since they are the radii of the same circle, segment PM congruent to segment PM, common side, segment CM congruent to segment MD, given. Therefore, triangle PCM congruent to triangle PDM by SSS test of congruency. Therefore, we can say that angle PMC congruent to angle PMD, since they are corresponding angle of congruent triangle. Therefore, measure of angle PMC plus measure of angle PMD is equal to 180 degree, since they are angles in a linear pair. Therefore, 2 times measure of angle PMD is equal to 180 degree from 3 and 4. Therefore, we can say that measure of angle PMD is, that is 90 degree. Therefore, we can say that segment P. Students, let us do one example. The radius of a circle is 5 cm. The distance of a chord from the center is 4 cm. Find the length of the chord. Let's see this. Here's the diagram. Suppose the circle shown here has center O and radius 5 cm. Segment AB is a chord and at a distance of 4 cm from the center. Draw radius OA. Therefore, length of OA is 5 cm. Now, since segment OP perpendicular to chord AB and length of OP is 4 cm, therefore, triangle OAP is a right angle triangle. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, OP square plus AP square is equal to OA square. After substituting the value, we get 4 square plus AP square is equal to 5 square. Therefore, AP square is equal to 5 square minus 4 square, that is equal to 25 minus 16, which is equal to 9. Therefore, length of AP is root 9, which is equal to 3 centimeter. Therefore, length of AB is 2 times length of AP, which is equal to 2 into 3, which is again is equal to 6 centimeter. Since perpendicular from the center of a circle to a chord bisect the chord. So students, we will do some more properties in the next video. Thank you.